Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me on this channel. I wanted to show you what I've been carrying for about a week, and that is this Daisy Rose Tote. And I also am carrying this Guess drawstring bag in nylon at the same time because I usually keep the Guess bag inside the Daisy Rose Tote, and I use the tote to add more things in because you can see my son likes to he likes for me to carry his things. And so inside this Daisy Rose Tote that is in a quilted chevron pattern, inside of it is lined in it's like a nice cotton fabric. There is an interior zipper. I have a rubber band in there, and I've got his hat that's he can wear reversible, and I also have sunscreen always with that. And this is a little pouch that came with the Guess bucket bag that I guess it's loose in here because I let him play with it. But yeah, I could always hang it right here because it does have this little hook. Okay, but this Daisy Rose bag carries a lot. I mean, I can carry so much, and I do. So I carry this Guess drawstring bag inside the Daisy Rose bag. This. When I'm on the go. And there's still plenty of room inside that Daisy Rose bag. But inside this Guess bag, I carry in the front pocket a bandana so that when it gets hot, I can dab myself, or I can wear it as a little mask. Yeah. And that's it. Inside the main compartment, thank you, I have this the matching little bag that came with the Daisy Rose bag, and it's what really attaches to this little ring right here. But I carry it in the Guess bag. And it has my toiletries. It has like my feminine hygiene products, lip gloss, deodorant, my eye contact solution, probably what else? Yeah, rubber bands, and yeah, that's what's inside. And then I also have more sunscreen, and I also have my like a card case that I would like to get a better one, but I like that one because it's just, I don't mind if it gets dirty, I guess, but I handle it so much. And then this is some hand cream, and oh yeah, a hair comb, I don't have anything in these little side slots, and I do have some facial cleansing wipes, and then some of this antibacterial gel from Bath & Body Works. really like it. And then in this back pocket, I don't think there is anything. Oh yes, a pen. But that's what fits, or what I'm carrying inside my Guess Bucket bag, and also in the Daisy Rose Tote. And I'm really happy with both of these bags, and I like how they look with each other, and they're just really good bags for a low price. And I think they're great seasonal bags for the summer. And those are my bags, and I'm so sorry. I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.